Hey guys, and welcome back to TenTech, your trusted and reliable educational channel about technology. And for today's video, we will be talking about system and non-system backup just for your files, namely Windows File History, OneDrive, Windows System Image Backup and Restore, and Windows Restore. And now, without further ado, let's get right into it. The Windows File History feature replaces your backup and restore on previous versions of Windows, and it is currently available on Windows 8, 8.1, and 10. It is an application that continuously backs up your files on your desktop, your library, your favorites folder, and your contacts folder. For Windows File History, the first thing you need to do is to click your Windows File icon and click Settings. Then go to the Update and Security icon, and then Backup. Then click the Add a Drive option over here, and then attach an external drive to your PC or laptop. Let's wait for it to be recognized. Click on your external drive, and then after some time, there will be an option here, and I suggest that you turn it on so it will automatically back up your files. The next thing you want to do is go to More Options. You may run a manual scan app by choosing Backup Now. You may change how often your files are backed up by selecting Backup My Files, and you may change how long should a backup be kept by choosing Keep My Backups. So in this Backup This Folder section, to add a new folder, just click on the plus sign and find the folders you want to add. And then choose this folder. Now that it's already here, if you want to remove a folder, click on it and select Remove. If you scroll down, you may see Exclude these folders. Click on the plus sign and select the folders you want to exclude. If you want to back up to another drive, just click on Stop using this drive and repeat the same steps that I've said before. Let's now proceed to Microsoft OneDrive. It is the Microsoft Cloud service that lets you connect to all your files. It lets you store and protect your files, share them with others, and get to them from anywhere on any device, including your very own smartphone. Now that we're done with Windows File History, let's go on to OneDrive. I will be explaining this in two parts, which is the OneDrive app and OneDrive Online. So, this is the tutorial for the OneDrive app. The first thing you want to do is download the OneDrive app from the OneDrive website. You may type the URL in this photo for easier access. Once it downloads, you may see a cloud icon on the bottom right part of your screen. Just like in this photo, it tells us that we are not yet signed in. But if you can't see it, it may just be hidden, so just click on the arrow for more apps that may be hidden from you. After you click it, it takes you to a panel where you sign up or log in your OneDrive. You will be entering here your email address and then your password. If you want to change the location of your OneDrive folder, you can just click on the Change Location on the lower part of the notice. Just continue skipping or pressing Next until you arrive to the Open My OneDrive folder option. Click the Open My OneDrive folder. It will open your OneDrive folder and you will see the files that you have saved online. For example, we have a folder of pictures and a document file. In the status column of the files, if there is a green check mark, it means it is fully synced. But if it's a cloud or two arrows, it means it's still syncing. Just like in this picture, the desktop is already fully synced, while the others are still syncing. If you want to sync something on your OneDrive, just click OneDrive button and click Open Folder, then you can drag the files in that folder. Once you've done that, It is now syncing into the cloud so you may access your files from any computer or device as long as there is internet access. Now I'm going to show you the tutorial for the OneDrive Online. The first thing you do is to sign in or log in to your OneDrive account. To create a new folder, just click on the New button and then Folder. And then afterwards, you can rename your folder to anything you like. Another feature of OneDrive is that you can drag folders inside of each other. Just like so. You can also create a Word document, an Excel workbook, a PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook, forms for Excel, and link. If you want to upload your own files from your own device, you can click on the Upload button and then search for your own file. It can be a certain file or a whole folder. For example, this is a photo. Click Open. So once that uploaded, you can access it in any device as long as there is internet connection. If you want to download documents on another device, just open your OneDrive account in the internet, then click on the document and choose Download, which is seen on the upper side of the website. If you want to download more than one document at a time, tick the check marks that will appear once you hover your mouse over it, and then click Download, which is also seen on the top part of the website. Next up is Windows System Image, also known as System Image Backup. This feature allows you to create an entire image file for Windows 10, not just files or folders like file history. This way, if your Windows gets corrupted, crashes, or simply doesn't work, you can get back to its feet by restoring the whole image file. Let's go to Windows System Image Backup and Restore. For backup, the first thing you need to do, as shown in the video, is an external hard drive. Go to File Explorer to find out what capacity you'll need. And then, after having an external hard drive, you should plug it in your laptop or PC. Open your PC, then go to the Settings. Click the Update and Security option, and then go to Backup. Instead of clicking Add a drive, which you used for the Windows file history before, we're going to go to the second option, which is go to Backup and Restore Windows 7. Click it, then click Create a System Image. And then it will automatically look for backup devices, which is the hard disk that you attached before. And then select on a hard disk. And then click Next. It will show us a confirmation for our backup settings and will also show us the following drives that will be backed up. Then click Start Backup. This could take up to 2 hours. You should not use the computer while it's making the system image. Once it's done backing up your files, eject the hard drive. Boot your PC. All you need to do is hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and restart the PC. Windows will automatically start in Advanced Boot options after a short delay. In the Automatic Repair, click the Restart button, which is the second option. In the Choose an Option part, click Troubleshoot, which is the third option and the lowest one. And then we're going to go to the Advanced options, which is your second option. And then we're going to go to System Restore, which is the last option that we have. And then choose an image that is saved to the drive. Now that we have chosen our system image, we're going to proceed and click Next.
Lastly, we have Windows System Restore. System Restore is a Microsoft Windows tool designed to repair and protect the computer software. It doesn't affect your files, and the utility creates a restore point once a day by default. It continually monitors your system activity and creates a restore point when a particular activity happens.
Now let's create the system restore point on Windows 10.
First thing you're going to do is open Start and search for Create a Restore Point and click the top result. In the Protection Settings section, click the Create button underneath the Configure button, and then type a descriptive name for the restore point. Click Create. Now this is going to take some time, but be patient. And now that we're done, click the Close button, and then click OK. Let's go to recovering using System Restore. Search for Create a Restore Point, but since it is a top search, just click on it. And then the next thing we're going to do is click the System Restore button, and then click Next. And then select the restore point, which is the name we decided before. Then click Next. Lastly, click Finish. Let's now proceed to Windows System Restore. Let's enable it. First, open Start, and then search Create a Restore Point, and click the top result to open the System Properties page. And then let's go to the Protection Settings section and select your system drive. Next, click Configure, and then choose the Turn on System Protection option, and then click OK. Now that we're all set for enabling System Restore, let's now click the OK button.
And there you go, we've now covered 4 different methods of backing up system and non-system files. Whoa, like time really does fly when you enjoy what you're doing. And now guys, if you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know down below in the comment section. Literally anything guys, suggestions, feedbacks, we will read anything, and we really appreciate all the support that you've given us. If you want to talk to us via Instagram, which is at tentech.it, and at Twitter, which is at tentech_it, we will reply, and also via Gmail, which is tentechid@gmail.com. Sadly, that is all today. We really love you guys, and come back for the next video. Bye!